Kavita, I understand that Karan is your brother. And I understand how painful it is to see your brother in jail. I understand. But Karan is wrong. Everyone, including me, have forgiven Karan a number of times. But kidnapping Thea's brother was something we couldn't tolerate. Kavita, why don't you see this? Kavita, you're Karan's sister, but you're not like him. Please try to think. Why did the police arrest only Karan? Why didn't they arrest you? Kavita, whatever you did at Karan's behest, and Karan knows this. Kavita, please try to understand. Karan and I may have had our differences, but our families mean everything to us. That is why he loves you very much. And that is why he took all the blame. He did not want your life to get ruined. So don't do anything that would waste your brother's efforts. Look, if not for us, not for anyone else, at least think for yourself, please.
Oh, please. Don't pretend to be my well-wisher all of a sudden.
Kavita, we are not pretending. Think about it. Even after what you and Karan did to us, we are giving you a chance so that you do not ruin your life. Please, please try and understand.
Be quiet. Just be quiet. You are the root of all the problems in my brother's life. You must die.
Kavita, please, Kavita, please, just try to understand. Think with a calm mind. Will Karan's problems solve if you did this? Please don't make this mistake. Otherwise, along with Karan, you'll have to go to jail too. Your life will get ruined too. Kavita, please think practically. Please.
My life? What life, Arjun? My brother was my life. My brother was my family. And you both took him away from me. So now, I will not back down. Today, I will kill both of you.
Kavita, what do you want to do? Will Karan get released if you kill Dia and me?
No. Absolutely not. But think about it. How happy my brother will be when he finds out that you both are dead. The fire of revenge that burns inside him, it will finally douse. So no. You both have to die today.
Kavita, what do you think? By doing all this, you are fulfilling your duty as Karan's sister? Look, Kavita, I am a sister too. I love my brother dearly. I could do anything for him. But that doesn't mean that I would ignore his mistakes. No, I would never support my brother in his mistakes. So please try and understand and accept Karan's mistakes. Look, Kavita, think from the world's point of view for once and not just as Karan's sister. You only tell me, whatever Karan did to Arjun or to us until this day, was it right?
Stop your nonsense! I don't wish to answer any of your questions.
Think and tell me. Just think. Whatever Karan did to us, was it wrong or not? Think and tell me.
I have thought. Come on.
Kavita,
Stop, Kavita.
Kavita, please listen to me. You're such a good badminton player. Why do you wish to ruin your career? Look, Kavita, you won't gain anything from this bloodshed. It's of no use. I know you're angry. You think this is right, but it's not. Think about it. You'll regret this your entire life. You're sensible. You're educated.
Be quiet. Stop this nonsense. I'm not going to listen to anyone today. My brother can never be wrong. He can never be wrong. I will avenge him out. Both of you have to die today. You have to.
Kavita, what's the point of doing all this? What will you gain? If you kill us, you'll spend the rest of your life in jail. Kavita, revenge will serve you no good. Please try to understand.
It's because of you. Because of you, my brother spent his entire life in humiliation. I won't spare you both today. I will end everything. Everyone will die. No one will be spared today. Do you hear me? Everyone.
Let go. Let go. Let go.
Kush!
Diya! Diya, open your eyes, Diya! Diya, open your eyes! What happened to you?
Diya, nothing can happen to you. Please.
Mom, I'll take Diya upstairs. Please call the doctor. Doctor, please tell us. Why is Diya still unconscious?
Doctor, is it a panic attack? I mean, she witnessed the shooting. Maybe she's in a state of shock.
Doctor, please tell us what happened to Diya. Diya? Doctor, she just moved her hand.
What? Diya? Doctor, Diya has regained consciousness.
Diya? Doctor?
Is everyone fine? Nobody is hurt, right?
No, Diya. No one's hurt. Look around. Everyone is in front of you.
Arjun, Kavita, and the revolver, she shot at us, right?
Easy, dear.
Dear, easy,
Don't
easy.
worry, dear. Relax.
Relax. Relax. Nothing happened. No one is hurt.
Did you all catch her?
Diya, she did try to escape, but we informed the police right away. She must have reached her in-laws' place by now. I mean, lock up.
Kush, I am afraid she will do the same thing if she gets the bail.
Diya, don't stress yourself out. Take rest. We are with you. Everyone is fine.
Doctor, is Diya fine? Nothing is serious, right? Tell us if you want her to undergo any tests. We will do that. Doctor, why are you silent? There is nothing to be worried, right?
Doctor, we're all stressed out and you're smiling. Doctor, please tell us what happened to Diya.
Congratulations, Mr. Arjun. You are going to be a father.
What?
Yes, Diya is pregnant.
That's
Congratulations,
great news,
Diya.
seriously. That's great news.
Hey!
I'm so happy today. I thank Lord from the bottom of my heart.
Congrats on being a father-to-be. And thank you for making me an uncle.
Diya, congratulations.
That's what we were lacking. Now there will be happiness in our family. Arjun? Arjun! Where is he? Mom? Mom? Strange? Where did everyone go, leaving me alone so early in the morning? Deepika? Kush? I can't see anyone around. And this decoration? Arjun? Arjun! Where is everyone? Where did everyone go? I can't see anyone around. Arjun! Mom! It means it was your plan?
My dear, you have made us so happy. Can't we do this much for you? Wow! I have decided that we will celebrate every day until this little one arrives, right? We will give him a warm welcome, okay?
Deepika dear, please bring the offering plate. Let's perform the ritual and blessings for Diya.
Yes, Grandma, I'll get it. Panu, come with me.
But we have just got the news. These traditions?
Diya, this ritual is very different from a baby shower.
Yes, a baby shower is celebrated with pomp and show. This is just a small ritual from our side to your little one. So, he remains happy and healthy until he joins our family. May Almighty blesses me with a great granddaughter like you.
Why, Grandma? So now you want a girl like Diya? Don't you want a boy like me? Am I so bad?
Hey, you are the light of my life. I love you the most. But I love Diya a little more than you.
Wow, unbelievable. Since Diya's come to this house, no one values me. Huh? Everyone's singing her praises? Great.
We started off on a bad note. But Diya, with your love and friendliness, you changed everything. You respected me and made me happy. There was a time when I wasn't ready to accept you. And now, you have become the apple of everyone's eyes. You are so righteous and sensible. I'm so proud of you, dear.
I still remember those days, Diya. You had to overcome many hurdles to reach here. You had to go through a lot with us. But I am proud of you. You never left our side. I used to think that you married Arjun for his money. But you never ever wanted that. I was wrong. I was completely wrong.
Love? Deepika? Are you going to bless me together today? There is no compulsion. It's just a request.
We can do this much for Diya, right? Diya, congratulations. You will make a very good mother. I am sure. May Lord give you all the happiness.
Diya, you have always wished well for others. In fact, you've always helped. And I really wish Arjun and especially you and your newborn always have a very happy and prosperous life ahead. My heartfelt greetings to you. I really wish you all the very best. God bless you, Diya.
I will also give you blessings. But if your baby turns out to be a melodramatic like me, you will have to give credit to me.
Diya, you have always been special for Grandma and me. Thanks for everything.
Thanks to you, Kush. You have always supported me as an elder brother.
I'm waiting for my new partner because I have to practice a lot with him or her. You see, I've got bored of practicing with my old partner now.
Oh, really? You have got bored of me? He always switches sides. Before playing with his or her dad, my child will have to play with me. Both of us will dance and play in the rain. We will make paper boats. We will jump and dance in the water. And we would even make a mud house. Okay? And to safeguard the house, we'll ask Dad.
Amazing. Now the new partner's got a promotion before coming into this world. We are going to make him or her the captain.
How is it?
It's very tasty, Mom.
Now who's going to feed me? So the mom gets all the love and not the father. All right.
Here, you also have it.
You know what, Thea? I miss your parents a lot today. I sincerely wish that they were here too. We could have celebrated together. But you see, everything happened so quickly that we didn't even get the time to invite them.
It's okay. Arjun, take Diya to her maternal home. She will seek her parents' blessings, okay?
Just a minute. I want to show you something. So, this is my first gift for my new partner.
Okay. So you have already decided what he or she will become? All decided?
No, I haven't decided at all. Our child will become what he or she wants to become. But my wish is that our child plays badminton. What say? I'm sure I can wish that our child becomes a badminton champion like Diya and me.
I'm telling you, she will become a badminton champion just like you.
But how can you say for sure that it'll be a daughter? It can be a son too, right?
No, I want a little Diya. She will play badminton with Arjun.
Why? Why only with me? Diya also's here. She'll play with Diya too.
After having kids, a mother doesn't get time to play.
Grandma, which age are you talking about? After taking a break for a few months, Diya can play badminton again.
Arjun, even I want Diya to play badminton. But it's not as easy as you think, you know?
Mom, nothing is easy. You have to work to make it easy. There are many sportswomen who didn't stop playing even after becoming moms. Huh? Diya will also be like one of them. She'll work hard, she'll manage things well and play.
A woman has many responsibilities.
Why? Does a dad not have responsibilities? He does, right? So if I can play badminton after becoming a dad, why can't Diya play? She'll also play, yes. I know that there'll be practical difficulties, but I'll be with her. I'll support her. I'll be with her. So what's the problem? Grandma, raising the child is a responsibility of both. It's an equal responsibility. But I won't let Diya's career be ruined because of it. She will surely play. Grandma, Diya is far more talented than me. And that is why I want her to scale great heights as a badminton player. So she will have to play.
You see, when the husband and wife have decided, what can we do? You both are ready to handle the responsibilities together. So why would we have a problem at all?
Okay, Diya. You may play if you want, Diya. Okay? Become a champion. I'm with you. In fact, all of us are with you.
Grandma, Mom, I know you all are saying this keeping my best interest in mind. And I promise to all of you that I can be a good mom even without quitting badminton. And my child will be my source of strength. As it is, a woman's strength increases manifold after becoming a mom.
Diya, don't worry. All of us are here. looking after the child isn't just your responsibility. What are family members for? We're here to support you and love you. The child will grow up even before you realize it. All of us are with you. Just be prepared to play badminton again. And you'll make a comeback very soon. I also want both of you to play. Yes, the child's grandparents, uncle and aunt will look after the child together. Well, that's what family members do.
We should give our blessings to Dia. Come on, let's all do that now. Relationships are like strings that we pull to make kites symbolizing happiness fly. These kites change directions based on the changing situations.
But relationships are never the same. At times they get complicated and we have to deal with them very carefully.
When things go wrong, we have to fix them with love. Relationships stem from the heart. Lip service isn't enough. They involve happiness, sorrow, tears and love.
And in this house, I didn't see relationships, but lived them. After coming here, I learned that relationships aren't made and must be maintained. And this wouldn't have been possible without my family and you. Do you remember what I always say? Until everything is fine, the story cannot end. Finally, everything is fine. But this is not the end. This is a new beginning of our relationship. Thank you. We thank you from the bottom of our hearts for accepting us and giving us a lot of love. Thank you so much for making this journey extremely beautiful.